What happens when a window and door company with 15 years in business has zero ads running? No tracking, no Google AdWords account, just a Facebook page that nobody checks and a phone number that only rings when someone drives past the showroom. That's exactly where this client was when they found us. They found us the same way most of our clients do for now. They watched a couple of our case study videos, they checked out our past results and messaged us directly on WhatsApp. They were not shopping around for the cheapest agency. They would seen what we did for the other home service businesses and they wanted that for themselves. And when I say starting from zero, I mean zero. No Google AdWords account, no Google Tag Manager, no call tracking. If a homeowner called after seeing an ad, that was genuinely no way to know it ever happened. So before we even talked strategy, we had to build the entire foundation from scratch. We set up the Google Ads account from the ground up. We installed Google Tag Manager and wired it into the analytics so every quote from and every phone call could be traced back to the exact keyword and the ad that triggered it. Then we built out the campaign structure, separate campaigns for replacement windows, new installations and door replacement, because someone searching emergency door repair is a completely different buyer than someone researching window replacement cost. Within the first 2 weeks of going live, the calls started coming in. That part felt great, but window and door searches have their own kind of mess. A huge chunk of traffic is homeowners who are still 6 months out from buying and just want a ballpark price. Another chunk is DIY searchers looking for how to install a window myself. And then there is a classic problem in this industry: people searching for repair jobs worth a couple $100 mixed in with the same keywords as people ready to replace every window in their house. So we went into cleanup mode. Every week we pulled the search term report and added negative keywords for the DIY searches and how to queries and the small repair jobs that were not even a fit for this client. We also looked hard at which zip codes and which times of day were actually producing booked estimates versus just clicks. Weekday evenings and weekend morning turned out to be a gold. Midday searches mostly noise. 3 months in, here is where the account landed. 74 conversions in a single month at a cost per conversion of only $28.40 for a business where a single window and door job can run into the thousands. That's an extremely efficient number. It did not even happen overnight and it didn't happen by accident. It happened because we did not panic during the messy first few weeks. We have refined the account week after week and let real data replace our early guesses. This is what building an ad account for the right way actually looks like. Not overnight magic, a proper foundation, honest optimization, and the patience to get through the noisy early weeks so the real results can come through clean. If you have any campaigns running in the similar niche, you can contact us for a free audit. There is a phone number on top right corner. You can contact us on WhatsApp. Once we have the account access, we will be able to look at your account and then we can let you know what you are doing and what you need to do in order to maximize the ROI from the campaigns. But on the other side of things, if you do not have anything ready, then don't worry about it. You can just share with us some basic information. It can be the website URL, the monthly budget, and the location targeting. We can do the research and then we can get back with the plan of action on what you can do to bring your business online to the next level. Thank you for watching the video.